Space explored by NASA probes. Milky Way galaxy. Natural satellites, moons. Artificial satellites. Milky Way galaxy. Solar system. Asteroids. Rock planets. Asteroids. Meteors. Rough planets. Ceres. Pluto. Haumea. Make. Eris. Planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Natural satellite moon. 8 revolves around dwarf planets. 185 revolves around regular planets. Artificial satellites. Thousands in geocentric orbit, polar orbit, geostationary orbit. Artificial satellite uses communications, observation, navigation, astronomical, space stations, GPS.